Here's another video on Startuts.
Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 of the enemy AI. So today we are going to complete this enemy part, and we will begin with another process of making an FPS game. So let's begin. Alright, so the changes that I've made is that I changed the radius to 5 so that you can see the place, and so everything just normal. So let's continue where we stopped. So in our Visual Studio script, what we are going to do now is just simple. It's not going to take much of our time. I'm going to change this public float radius back to 5 since I changed it in the Unity inspector. So in our update function now, I'm going to write there a float. I'm going to make a new variable which I'll call distance. So our float distance, will make that to be equals to, so we're going to be equals to our vector 3 dot distance. Then we'll bring out the parentheses, and inside the parentheses we're going to write a player. So that's our transform player. This is our main player dot position, and our transform dot position. So what we have done here is that it is going to calculate the distance between the enemy position and the player's position. This is just simple to understand. And then also in this function, I'm going to write an if statement, which will be if our distance is less than or equals to our radius. That means that if it comes back, like if this distance here that is between the player and the transform position, if it gets near each other, if it gets into the look radius or the that we did in the last video, if it does that, we want our player to start, we want it to start pursuing the player. So I'm now going to put a bracket here in one side and the other side, and then this way will now put our material variable into use. So I want to write the material, which will make that to be dot color. So I want to change our color. I'll make that to be equal to our color dot want that to be red anytime that happens. And when that does not happen, you want to make a else statement, if else. So I'm going to now write there if that happens, or if that does not happen, we want our material dot color to make that to be equal to color dot black. That's simply it. So I'm going to save it now, open it up in Unity. Alright, so you see that gun mat was changed to red. That's because I was testing out something. So let me just change that back to black. So we are in black, and you see that what we have here is black. So in our enemy movement script, in this material slot they are going to move this gun mat to its position, and now we will try to play it, and let's see what happens. And Jesus says, "Oh, I can sing." Alright, so we are playing the game right now, and so okay, we can move around now and shoot. Everything's working perfectly. So alright, so we are playing the game right now, and so okay, we can move around. We You can move around now and shoot. Everything's working perfectly. So thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe so you will not miss the next one. And with that said, thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe so you will not miss the next one.